What you do is you watch the patient on a device while still awake but resting, right? Don't count the rate of that patient when they're very hyper still. Wait until they're resting. Meaning to say, you might see alpha attenuation, but no apneas. Count the rate there. It's the resting rate. Let's say that patient's rate is 16. So your backup rate should be -2 or -4. If you want to be conservative, -4. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive, -2. So if your patient is at 20 and they're resting, but then they're breathing 20 breaths per minute, so your backup rate could be 16. You can even go 15, really. But that's how you can establish that. So you won't go wrong if you do -2 or -4. I would always do -4 just to give the patient more opportunity to breathe so that my backup rate is not going to be aggressive, because then that can cause patient what? If your backup rate is aggressive, what happens? It will wake up your patient because you will cause asynchrony. This is one of the major lessons when it comes to any bilevel titration. The biggest issue in bilevel titration is asynchrony.